In Systemic Functional Linguistics, SFL, developed by Michael Halliday, the concepts of cohesion and coherence are central to understanding how texts are constructed to make meaning. SFL views language as a social semiotic system, emphasizing the role of context in interpreting texts. Cohesion refers to the grammatical and lexical linking within a text or sentence that holds a text together and gives it meaning. It involves the ways in which components of a sentence or text are connected to each other linguistically to form a unified whole. Cohesion can be achieved through various linguistic devices: reference, ellipsis, substitution, lexical cohesion, and conjunction. Reference. This involves the use of pronouns he, she, it, they, demonstratives this, that, these, those, and other devices to refer back to something previously mentioned in the text or forward to something that will be mentioned. Ellipsis. Leaving out elements of a sentence when the context makes the meaning clear, thus avoiding repetition. For example, in the exchange, "Do you want tea or coffee?" "I'll have tea." The full response, "I'll have tea," omits the verb want, which is understood from the question. Substitution. Similar to ellipsis but involves the replacement of an element with a simpler form, such as one, as in "I already have one," or "do so," as in "I think so." Lexical cohesion. This is achieved through the use of vocabulary, with two main types being recognized: reiteration, using synonyms, antonyms, or superordinate terms, and collocation, words that frequently occur together. Conjunction. The use of conjunctions and but, therefore, however, and conjunctive adverbs, meanwhile furthermore consequently, to relate sentences and clauses to each other in logical ways. Coherence, on the other hand, refers to the overall sense of unity in a text. It's about how the reader perceives the parts of the text to fit together in a meaningful whole. Coherence is more abstract than cohesion and is not solely based on linguistic features but also on the knowledge and interpretation of the reader. Logical organization. The way ideas are arranged and sequenced can significantly affect a text's coherence. Logical organization guides the reader through the argument or narrative in a structured manner. Thematic development. The introduction, development, and conclusion of themes or topics within a text contribute to its coherence. Effective thematic development ensures that all parts of the text are relevant to the main topic and contribute to the overall message or argument. Information structure. This refers to the management of old and new information in a text. Typically, sentences introduce new information in the context of information already known to the reader, contributing to a sense of progression and cohesion. Inferencing. Readers often make inferences based on their world knowledge and the clues provided in the text. These inferences help to fill in gaps and create a coherent understanding of the text. Analyzing discourse through the lenses of cohesion and coherence in Systemic Functional Linguistics, SFL, involves examining how texts construct meaning and achieve their communicative purposes. SFL posits that language is a social semiotic system, meaning that it's a tool for making meaning in social contexts.